Hi, this is Peter Gerdy, and thank you so much for investing in P1 Video Magnet software suite. I know you are going to love it, and most importantly, you are going to love the results that it will bring to you. But what I'm about to show you right now in this video will simply blow your mind. Now just think about this. What if the posts that P1 Video Curator is publishing on your website with just a few pushes of a button, what if these posts would start to rank on first page of Google and would start to bring in real traffic and would do all of that on a complete autopilot? Now, in order to achieve that, all you have to do is activate P1 Video Spider plugin. P1 Video Spider plugin is by far the most strategic and the most effective backlink creation tool that you can activate on a WordPress site. It is developed to work in a true set and forget style where you do something once and then you just let it run and basically let it create rankings and generate traffic for you. So let me show you how it's going to work. And in order to better demonstrate that to you, let's go back to our site manager that we have in P1 Video Curator, and let's select this category, marketing tips. So as you can see, we don't have posts in this category. There is nothing in here. And before we generate the post and before we click this button, let's just go back to the spider and let's just create a spider group. So now let's give it a name. So it's going to be marketing tips number 1, and the reason why I'm putting here number 1 is because I can create unlimited groups here. In the next step, I'm going to select a couple of accounts that I have here inside of the system. So let me just select those accounts. Let me check them to make sure that all are working. And by the way, you can add unlimited accounts inside of the P1 Video Spider. It can be 100, it can be 1,000. You can post it on self-hosted blogs if you want to. You can post it on any social media site. So literally everything you need in order to diversify your backlink profile. The next thing, we can select whether we want to disable spinner, and obviously we don't want to do that. We want to activate the group, and we can also set up an interval which will work in between accounts. So we are going to select 30 minutes interval so they are not syndicated at the same time. In the next step, we are going to select the assignment, and this is where the magic literally happens. So now you can assign this group either to syndicate content from entire website or from a specific category. So in this case, we want to select specific category. We want to select marketing tips because that's the category for which we are going to generate content right here. So let me go back now, and in the next setup, we are going to go through Encore settings. Basically, what we are going to do, we are going to enable a couple of Encore settings so we can diversify our backlink profile and we don't run into problems with Google. So all you have to do here is literally copy and paste, and that's going to be enough. And here we are going to select a different link placement for every single content syndication. In the final 2 steps, we are going to diversify our length of the content. So let's set it up like this. And the final step, we are going to choose how we want to display our multimedia content. So in this case, YouTube video or YouTube thumbnail. So, and we can select a random as well. So let's select random, and let's select also a random location for media placement. So it can be on the top of the page, on the bottom of the page, in the middle page, in all kinds of different ways. So now we are setting this up, and basically it's all ready to go, and we click Save Changes. So now the group is created, and if you click this right here, it's going to check accounts to make sure that everything is working. And as you can see, we have 3 accounts right in here. So now that we have a spider group assigned to a specific category, which in this case is marketing tips, we can go back and start to generate content. So all we have to do is just click P1 Video Curation Actions button, which you already know how to do. We set up a schedule however we want to publish something, and we can enable all of these features and then just start curation. Now let me explain what is going to happen right now. So now P1 Video Curator is creating the content for your website. And as soon as content is going to be published on the website, P1 Video Spider Group will kick in and will start to syndicate content on a total autopilot. And it's going to syndicate to all the groups. As I said, you can create the next group and assign different accounts, and it can be hundreds of accounts, including your entire private blog network if you use that. And that's how you literally will create massive amount of backlinks for specific posts at the time when the posts get published. Even more, if you want to do this for already existing posts, you can go right here and you can take, let's say, these are my published posts. You can take this post and literally start to syndicate it to this group. So you go back here, you select marketing tips, you provide keywords if you want to, and literally as soon as you will update, it's going to start to generate syndication for you. And you will literally start to see syndication in progress. So now it's going through all these accounts, and within 30 minutes or so, it's going to be published and it's going to create backlinks for you. So this entire system works seamlessly together. You don't need to do anything. You basically create category, you figure out which keywords you are targeting, you click this one button to generate content, and then you go back to the video spider where you click another few buttons and provide a few settings, and literally you let it run, and everything will happen on a total autopilot. And once the job is done, then obviously we have the reporting tab where you're going to see the results. However, it's all published, and that's literally how it works. You can add unlimited accounts here. As I said, there is literally no limit how you can set up this system. There is unlimited opportunities for you to set up different spider groups with different account combinations, with different syndication assignments, with different anchor text profile to make sure you are immune to all the Google updates, to different media placement to really diversify your syndications and to secure your accounts as well so they don't get deleted and you don't lose rankings. This is literally the best backlink indexation system as well as traffic generation system there is when it comes to Google rankings. Therefore, make sure you grab P1 Video Spider right now. It's probably as close as you can get to Google's approved automation for free traffic and rankings. There is simply nothing better. So make sure you grab it right now, add it to your system, and now you will have a complete software suite that is going to work for you on a complete autopilot. This is Peter Garrity. I'm looking forward to see how you are going to rank for thousands of keywords, all generating traffic. Bye for now.